First, remove the 2 indicated screws located near the brew head. Remove the round plastic tab located near the water tank area. Then remove the screw underneath. Lift up the top cover. Unfasten the white plastic piece to remove the top cover from the machine. To remove the back panel, gently pull it away from the machine. Then remove the tube connected to the back panel. Remove the 4 retainer clips circled in red. Then remove the 4 tubes. Make sure to keep note of each tube's location for the reassembly process. Also ensure no O-rings are left behind inside the tubes. Next, disconnect the colored wires from each solenoid. To remove the solenoid assembly, first remove the 2 indicated screws. Then disconnect the attached tube to remove it from the machine. Insert the replacement solenoid assembly. Make sure the screw inserts are aligned, then reinsert the 2 screws. Reinsert the 4 tubes to its proper location, ensuring the O-ring is properly attached to each one. Reattach the colored wires. Connect the ground wires to the bottom pin, the red wire to the top left pin, and the blue wire to the top right. Reattach the back panel. Reinsert the 2 screws on the bottom of the machine and the screw and plastic tab near the water tank region. Reattach the top cover back onto the machine. Then reinsert the 5 screws on the back panel. Reinsert the 2 screws near the brew head. Once your machine has been reassembled, plug in and power on your machine. Test all outlets, including the brew head, hot water, and steam wand. If your machine has been successfully repaired, you should see water dispensing from all outlets.